Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious seafood hot pot soup. First, let's create a fantastic broth base. A good broth is the heart of any hot pot. You can use about 6 cups of chicken or vegetable stock as your foundation. Then, infuse it with aromatics like a 2-inch piece of ginger and 4 cloves of minced garlic. This simple step builds incredible depth of flavor for your hot pot experience. Next, let's talk about the stars of our hot pot, the seafood. It's crucial to choose fresh, high-quality ingredients. Aim for a variety, perhaps 8 ounces of shrimp, 6 ounces of firm white fish like cod, and 4 ounces of scallops. Make sure to clean everything thoroughly and slice larger pieces into bite-sized portions, about 1 inch thick. This ensures even cooking and a delightful mix in every bite. Now, let's add some vibrant vegetables and other fun ingredients to our hot pot. These additions not only boost nutrition, but also add wonderful textures and flavors. Consider including about 1 cup of napa cabbage, half a cup of enoki mushrooms, and 4 ounces of firm tofu, cut into 1-inch cubes. Remember to wash and chop all your vegetables uniformly so they cook evenly and are easy to enjoy. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your hot pot. Bring your prepared broth to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add your ingredients in small batches, cooking the seafood for about 2 to 3 minutes and vegetables until tender crisp. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, like a soy ginger or a spicy chili sauce. This interactive meal is perfect for sharing and customizing to everyone's taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.